It's the expertise that Ford brings and the experience that they bring that really made this studio what it is. I'm Jay Welk. I'm the Director of Career and Technical Education for the Davis School District. We are in the Catalyst Center, which is a technical high school for Davis School District. We had industry and education both inform what went on in this building. And that's where Ford AV played a role in the AV studio. We have industry involved, and the nice thing is our students are the ones that are on the controls, behind the camera, on the lighting. Practical experiences, they wouldn't get anywhere else unless they went into industry. As we go where the students lead us. Even within the AV studio, there are different types of interests. Some might be, music production, YouTube videos, having a podcast. We had a student in one of our promotional videos that said, "This is the best educational experience I've ever had in my life." For us, that's a win. We've had producers from Los Angeles come in. One came in and said, "My daughter goes to school in Los Angeles, and there's nothing like this." Ford really was the one that brought this whole package together. They had the vision, they knew on the design and on the build how things were going to go. Even here, we were going to have a window that looked from the control room into the studio, and the recommendation came from Ford not to do that. And it really has worked out well. But those little things like that, we wouldn't have known. Even the architects wouldn't have known that. The meetings were pretty big. We would have the Ford AV staff, our CTE team from the district would have our district facilities team, our district IT team. The architects, they were able to talk to each other in that language, whether it was, on electrical things or, again, infrastructure or pieces of equipment or the MOSA system to use the Unreal Engine on. One thing that really impressed us about Ford is their team was the one team that had gone to the facility before they came to the interview. When they were talking about the studio, they had seen the space and they knew how it could be set up. So that was a big thing for us. It's the expertise that Ford brings and the experience that they bring that really made this studio what it is.